In this video, we will going to learn how to use the custom flag on your email. What is a custom flag? You can custom the date when you want to complete this mail, when you want to work on this before this due date, within the few days. Mention your date and also set your reminders to on your email. Let's start. We'll see. Just click on the home tab. You can see here the tags options. Click on the follow tab. I want to do custom flags on my email for my reminder. You can select here flag to follow up for your information. If you want to read some mail, then forward. If you want to forward on that date before this date, you can select the no response necessary. Read for only for reading this email. You just flag it to reply and just select the reply. The start date is today. I want to reply within the 2 3 days. Okay, I just selected 22 date. I also set the reminders. Click here on due date 22. I can select the reminder date also. Okay. If I want to remind from Outlook 21 after second day I want reminder from Outlook for this mail. I select this date. Also you select the time when you want reminder. I just select the and just click on the OK. That's it. You can see here the reminder and you can see here the importance of mail. That's it. Thank you. Hope you understand. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.